Brantford-Brant, where we offer programs for children 0 to 6 for their parents and caregivers. And today I'm going to show you some awesome healthy snacks that you can make during the summer break, and also great ideas for packing lunches when we go back to school. So the first thing I did, I made these awesome buns, and I used just things that were in my fridge or my pantry. So I had some celery, some loose green beans, a cucumber, and some cherry tomatoes. And you can be as creative as you want. I filled some of them with dip. I filled some of them with Cheese Whiz. You can use peanut butter or anything that you want to fill them with. And then you can make all these cute little critters. The next one is a turtle. And so this one I used grapes, and I couldn't find green grapes, so I used some red grapes. And then I also used a kiwi. So this is what a kiwi looks like in the grocery store, and then when you get it home you have to peel it, and this is what it looks like when it's peeled. And then you can create a turtle. This one is under the sea graham cracker fun. So you need some graham crackers, and I used cream cheese that I colored with some blue food coloring. And then you need some goldfish crackers, and then I used sprinkles, skinny long sprinkles, as my seaweed. And then you can have some goldfish crackers. And then the last one is a monster sandwich. So you need a piece of sliced bread, 2 pieces of sliced bread. You need some lunch meat and some cheese. And then you're gonna just kind of make your sandwich. You'll have to make it in half. And then I used cucumber and half of cherry tomatoes as the eyes. Now that you and your grown-up have made these awesome healthy snacks, let me show you how you can pack them so you can bring a healthy lunch to school. So the first container I have is a container that has a little snap, and you can put it off. And then you can fit your creatures in here. And make sure you hear the snap so that they don't get lost. And then the next one I have is our monster sandwich, and you can put that in a Ziploc bag or a resealable bag. And these ones are really nice because they have a little lip on them, and it helps you pull them away. And remember to seal it really good so that nothing falls out. And then for the other two, I'm going to show you how to put them in what they call a bento box, or a box with different slots in it, and it has a snap lid on it. So we can put our turtle, oops, we lost our legs, in this one, and our goldfish crackers in this slot, and then we can put this on, and remember to listen for the snaps, and then that fits right into its own bag. That zips up. You can carry that for lunch. And then these containers are really good too because they're a twist, and you can bring your extra dip if you want extra dip or cream cheese for your crackers. And there's all different sorts of lunch bags that you can take as well. These two are thermal, so they'll keep things nice and cold, and there's a spot for your ice packs in those as well. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time.